Removing a plastic snap is also pretty simple using the press. Here I have the socket die attached to the top, which has the little protrusion out here. Here are the snaps I'm going to remove. Just place the snap sideways on the press and press down. And you can press down again. And you'll see the snap just falls apart. Now we'll do it for the other side. There you have it. You can also use the pliers to remove your plastic snaps. Just remove the rubber head from the top bolt. Here I have the 5mm bolt attached. This is the one that's used for the size 24 snaps. It's the larger of the two. Here we have the snaps we're going to remove from the fabric. Again, I just place them sideways between the bolt and the bottom die, and I just press down. And you might have to do it a few times. And the snap just falls off.